Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on every 100 likes on your Tinder app. We'll go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile. Then you just go up, you click here on this mark settings here, then it's going to take you to next window here or your settings window, and you just go down here, so you keep going, then you come here to push notifications, you will click here, then it's going to take you to this window, and you come here to every 100 now new likes, you just click here, and like you see now, every 100 new likes it's on now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.